Guys, today I want to run a little experiment. I'm going to be testing out the Pistelle X68 and I'm going to use an 11.5-inch barrel extension, and I'm going to pit it up against its newer sibling, the IntraBuster 68, which is the Mercury Rise. As you can see, it does look kind of ridiculous. However, this is just going to be an experiment. I'm going to see what readings I get. Now I'm going to be using the ACIL, pronounced ACIL. Now these are ABS coated 10-gram steel projectiles. So, which one's going to win out? Let's get to it. All right, right now we're going to go ahead and start with the Mercury Rise IntraBuster, 11.5-inch ABS coated 10-gram steel projectiles. I'm gonna fire 6 out, and let's hope I get this right. Well, as you can see, that didn't turn out quite like I planned. So, that being said, I'm assuming that particular barrel's not going to operate in the, which was originally done for the Pistelle. It's not going to operate in the IntraBuster. I learn something new every day. I'm not necessarily one that modifies weapons, but you never know. So, well, I guess that was a fluke. So I'm gonna swap out with another barrel just to not waste the CO2 and see what I can get out of these 10 grams. Be right back. All right, well, I'm back. So I guess we're gonna go plain stock with this thing. Let's get to it. 10-gram ABS coated steel projectiles. This time bone stock. .309. .306. .294. .286. Let's see what we got. .280. And I should be out. All right, well, nice. All right, now, guys, let's go ahead and I know this is going to be a little bit unfair. However, it is what it is. I still want to get the power readings off the Pistelle because it is at its most powerful with the extension and mock suppressor. So I want to keep my original plan and see exactly what the reading is and kind of ballpark it, even though I will purchase one that actually fits the IntraBuster. Well, let's see if it got it. All right, take 2 hits on this one. All right, let's go. All right, well, I swapped out the barrel. This is what originally is supposed to go with the Pistelle X68. Now, of course, I could run stock, pit stock against stock. However, I did a comparison of that prior to this. I still want to see the readings with 10-gram steel projectiles with the slight modification. This is more of a personal preference, and I just want to share it with you guys. So it's not necessarily apple to apples, but close enough. So let's see what we get out of this, and I'm more than sure that this one here isn't going to fly off the handle, so to speak. All right, weapon hot. 352. 336. 3, 3, 2. 3, 2, 5. 3, 1, 8. And that should be 3, 1, 7. I think that should be about it because it's already light. Yep. Well, numbers pretty consistent between both weapons. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the numbers and post them up for you guys to see. And I appreciate you guys watching. I know it's been a while. If you like what I'm putting out there, or at least want to stick with me, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll take this journey together. Next time I want to pit both the Pistelle and IntraBuster against the Grimberg Gavel Carry. That's the 3 most powerful, and see what we can get out of those. Maybe shoot some targets. All right, stay safe out there, guys.